Okay, here we are.
Our house is way back here in the snow.
Hi guys! I want to play Mancala.
Okay, we will do that. And some slapjack. Kayla's calling. She's like, what do I do? Help me. I can't find hot water. Morning, everyone. Hi. So we're packing up and we're getting ready to head out and go to our next destination. Look at all the snow that fell last night. I know it's not a lot to some of you, but this is really exciting for us because we don't get this normally where we live. Everything's so pretty. Their doggies are playing in the snow. Did you guys see Kayla's beautiful snowman? So
Something ate the nose. But...
Tyler made the cutest little guy over here, and he's got these cute branches and stuff. And then Kayla made this snowman.
Which is perfect.
It's almost perfect except for an animal came in the middle of the night and stole its nose because
eyes are different sizes.
she put an actual carrot on it, which is what you're supposed to do.
Baby carrot.
Baby carrot. So that's the most perfect snowman I've ever seen, I think. Do you want to take a picture with it?
Sure.
You should put another carrot on it first.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I kicked his middle so he didn't explode. There we go.
Tyler, are you gonna kick your snowman? I guess you don't have any shoes on. Hit my snowman. Let's see. Oh, my phone's. Oh, there we go. One more. There he is. Ah!
And I can put it on bounce. What if I put it on bounce?
What does that do?
It makes it look like he's going back together.
Oh. How's it going, Ty?
Good.
You're not cold? You don't even have socks on. I guess you are sitting by the heater. My hands are frozen.
Why would you touch me if your hands are frozen?
Hershey just dug
It feels good on the forehead.
Hershey just dug up the carrot and ate it.
Did he?
Yeah. His face
Maybe
covered
they
in
stole the
snow.
carrot last
Look at-
night.
Oh no, he didn't eat it yet, but he's playing with it.
Hershey's looking for that carrot. Hershey's looking for that
I
carrot.
just kicked it so he saw it go. He's like, wait a minute, I want it.
There is a rope outside and it's like rock hard, like you can't even move it.
Oh, that's the rope? That's a rope?
Yes.
That's funny.
I thought it was a stick when they were first playing with it. They're like, we're trying to thaw out the rope. Okay.
Wow. That's hardcore. Are all the ropes over there like that too?
It's pretty stiff.
See, I can bend it.
Oh,
We gotta finish packing and we gotta load up the car and then we're out of here.
Do they get school off? Or
It's
do,
the
are
Well,
they-
today's
Where's
Saturday.
Hershey?
He's right here. He's
Okay.
struggling to stay on my lap.
Well, I don't see a lot of traffic yet, so that's good. The area that we're in is Sugarloaf. So we're leaving Sugarloaf to head to the next destination.
Which is,
Anybody know?
if it's not giant, it's,
big?
and if it's not a dog, it's a,
Cat.
A giant cat. We're going to Giant Cat.
going to Big Cat. Oh, that's Tyler's nickname in football.
Big
They
cat.
called him the Big Cat. He would tackle people and go meow.
We're in town. It is super cute.
husky. Oh my gosh, it's so
We were there last year.
Yeah, that was awesome. I love it.
Do they still not know where we are?
If you haven't figured it out, we are at Big Bear.
No, big cat.
We're a big bear.
Big kitty cat meow.
This is like our favorite little winter spot. It's the best place for us to do our family bonding. It gets us away from all the electronics, except for a little bit of phone time at night. So we're getting the keys to our cabin that we're going to be staying at, and then we'll show you guys what that looks like because we haven't seen it yet either. So we just got our key. And apparently there are some power outages in the area, so we might not have power. They just warned me that. So we might be living on the edge here. It's gonna be like fireplace time and candlelight dinner. Totally goes along with our theme of no electronics.
Yay!
So-
Actually, well, no power still means I could use my phone.
But you can't charge it once it's dead.
Oh, yeah.
So you better get on it.
Right now I'm at 96%, so I think I'm good.
You're better than me. My phone's already half dead again. What the heck?
Peace out.
I really gotta turn off the Bluetooth.
163.
Oh, how far away are we?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. So we definitely gotta park and let Kayla walk the dogs for a minute because we gotta go grocery shopping and all that good stuff.
They don't bark.
Barked at that.
You guys are funny, Bear.
Oh, we do it in the bear count? Okay, well, so we're taking the dogs for a walk and we're letting them experience some of Big Bear, their cute village. Everybody's just now arriving into town. We got a little jump start yesterday.
I feel awkward.
It's starting to get crowded. And I even brought stuff to make snow cones. So we'll just make the snowman and then we'll color them and we'll
Real
eat them.
live snow cones.
Yeah.
Bam.
I saw the other dog and it didn't bark.
All right. Good job,
They
you
did
guys.
so good. They didn't bark at anyone. They only Hershey only barked at like a mannequin inside one of the stores.
Yeah.
So
Carly almost peed in that store.
we got him though. It's fine. We're working on it. It's the first time like being out and about with other people.
He's still looking for somewhere.
Every day is snowing since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
Okay, there is so much snow, we do not know what we're doing. If we don't go grocery shopping today, we're gonna starve.
We have some food.
This is gonna be like 24 hours of survival.
Survival of the fittest.
In
It
the
might be 72 hours of survival.
Okay, here we are.
Our house is way back here in the snow.
Hi guys.
So Tyler just went outside in the backyard.
Harley's still out there.
Yeah, the dogs really like the snow. Wow, the snow's almost to the bottom side of those chairs out there. Are you gonna do some barbecuing?
If I can get to it. Yeah.
So this is the main room with the fireplace. We're trying to find the pokers and the scoops that go to the fireplace so we can have a fire, and we can't figure out where they are. But there is a bucket here so we can put the ashes in it. And there's a desk area here.
We got a telescope. We can look at the stars if it's clear out. Right there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Tyler must be warming up because he would have played out in the snow and now he's like
Hiding it in a blanket. This is the kitchen area. We've already been unloading all our nice treats and everything. I'm so excited. This place is humongous, guys. We do this like once a year so they know us. So they cut us deals, which is really cool. Go back to last year's videos where we were in the cabin. It was a really cute cabin. This one's just ginormous. It's huge. It sleeps 16 people. So this is gonna be the upstairs bedroom. So fun. And then we have like these awesome views outside. Looks like more tables got blown over. But there's snow everywhere. We're so excited. We want to go outside and do some sledding. And people do live here, so a lot of these doors have locks on them. They were so kind to share. This was my hiding spot for the sardines video we just did. All the cute decorations to make it so cabiny. So this was the upstairs, and then we have 2 downstairs, different staircases.
2 different downstairs, yeah.
So this is basically a 3-story cabin. Laundry room. That might come in handy. We might have to get a little bit of laundry detergent. So here's the other downstairs.
Look how wide these stairs are.
The garage. We got our car hidden in here.
These are like twice as wide as our stairs at home.
It's nice. Nice and cool down here. Almost makes me think I should be in here. This is the game room.
How awesome is this?
Hi, Hershey. A view from this room. It's 2 bunk beds, guys. Super cute. Air hockey. Oh, and then we have a pool table again, which is going to be super fun. There they are. So we have a bunch of board games here. Plus we brought some, so I'm excited about that.
Yeah, open this one.
Ooh, Chinese checkers.
Monopoly.
Wow. What is this? A garbage can? That's a cute garbage can.
I never thought I'd hear anybody ever say that. What a cute garbage can.
I think the kids are going to stay in here. This is like
This is where
really
the hot tub is.
cute. It's here? You have to come through here to get to the hot tub?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. That thing is like inside the deck somehow.
It is, and it weighs like a million pounds because
Of all the snow. Yeah, my shoes are getting wet, so I'm going back inside.
this is actually pretty awesome right here.
I like it. Everybody can have their own bed
Yeah.
if they wanted. I wonder if the mattress is comfy.
Down here.
Hey, this works pretty good.
Nice and cool.
Look at all these cute decorations. So this was the room that Tyler hid in. So the fire truck bed. Another bathroom. All right, there's even an air mattress in there for 1 more person. Another bed. Okay, so this place is supposed to sleep 16 people. I think it actually sleeps more.
I think you could sleep a ton of people in here.
Yeah, this is a total party house. But we like big houses and we like to rent them out and then we just hang out in them. I actually think that the granny game would be really fun in here. Alrighty. Well, I think we're gonna get ready to head into town. We have to do some grocery shopping because all the stores were running out of food because the trucks were having a hard time getting up the hill. So we gotta get a little bit of grocery shopping in and get kind of settled and then we'll see how the day goes.
Maybe we play another game.
Ooh, play another game. It's gonna be fun,
Maybe
fun,
we can
fun.
eat some food.
Yeah, let's get some food. All right. Back home. What are you working on, Tyler?
A very serious business.
Yeah, hanging out on the couch. Well,
Bamboo.
that sounds very exciting. Sean's working on a fire.
Me, caveman, make fire.
We got a bunch of wood here.
I really don't think we need that much, but okay.
What are you working on, Kayla?
I've wanted to learn how to make a friendship bracelet, and that's like kind of the thing that you learn how to do in summer camp. And I didn't go to summer camp, so I'm learning on this trip. So I'm making like a chevron friendship bracelet according to the video that I watched.
That looks cool.
Yes, it's coming out
I
nicely.
like it. Nice colors. Very sunset. Good job. Doing the craft thing. So we're getting out the board games. I gotta find our cards.
I want to play Mancala.
Okay, we will do that. And some slapjack.
I'll play slapjack.
Yeah, okay, me and Tyler are gonna play slapjack. So we're staying indoors tonight. We just got through grocery shopping. It was so busy that all the lines were to the back of the store. It took us over a half an hour to just get through the line. It was crazy. So we just are getting ready to round up some dinner. Grilled cheese sandwiches, we have hot dogs. I'm gonna make this dish called tater tot surprise, and I put it in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning I bake it, and it's tater tots with eggs and the little smokies and what else? Cheese, eggs, milk, and little smokies and the tater tots, and it's so good. And then we got bacon. I'll make like one side without little smokies. And that way you don't have to worry about it. So we're excited. Okay, so we do have a bunch of snow and there is a storm coming in tonight. So we might be snowed in tomorrow and not have a choice. That's why we did as much grocery shopping as we could. The store was going empty. The aisles were empty. So we picked out what we could find.
It's like a vacation, and this is a big like vacation spot. So
Everybody's here. Yeah, it's a 3-day holiday vacation because of President's Day. Everybody's here to go skiing. I might scare the fire.
Well, Tyler came over when I was trying to make it. He was really loud and it went out. So I think
Oh,
I have to
man.
do how loud we are. I don't know. So I think we're good though. We haven't eaten.
You're good?
He thinks we're
Okay.
friendly and it looks like it's here to stay.
Looks pretty good. Harley's chilling. You cozy? Is you cozy? Hi, Hershey. You just want to be in on the fun, huh? Look
I
at
want to be on
you.
camera.
I'm here. I'm here.
she gets jealous.
He is such a jealous dog. I think we're well prepared for a storm.
Yay!
I'm
We got plenty
actually.
of firewood. We got plenty of food.
What
we got plenty
firewood?
of water.
What firewood?
We're good.
I'm actually kind of excited. I hope we do get snowed in because then we'll be forced to have fun. But
I've never been snowed in before.
yeah, me neither. But the power could be out, so that might be a challenge.
I'm charging my phone right now, so I can.
Yeah,
Yes,
where's my
everybody's
charger?
got to start charging. I just hooked up another charger over in the kitchen. There's 3 ready to go.
I'm at like 5%.
Well, Kayla's gonna be the one that's bored.
No, I'm charging it right now, and hopefully it doesn't go out in like 2 seconds. Or hopefully like the power.
Right.
No.
We'll be fine. I think.
Look at my fuzzy
It hasn't
socks.
started snowing yet.
Look at Harley's cute, adorable little face.
He's like a cute little baby. Hello. Hi. He's like, oh, maybe there's a chance. She's being really nice. I'm gonna get something.
Hi, do you want a treat? You want a treat?
I just realized my teeth feel gross, so I'm gonna go brush my teeth. My teeth feel gross, I'm gonna go brush my teeth.
Oh, good job.
Dad, where's the treat?
The dog treats or human treats?
Oh.
'Cause we got both. Actually, we're
Oh,
rocking
we're
dog.
full on treated out here, you guys.
This is Treatsville right here.
We've got chips galore. Chips over there.
Popcorn.
Popcorn chips over here. The bread.
Crayon cheese.
We've got this really tasty cheese
It's
for
garbage.
crackers. Kettle corn. That's gonna be good. Dried fruit. We got a bunch of cookies. We got Oreos and Keebler over here.
Those are wannabe Girl Scout cookies.
Yes, and we have this great big Danish thing that we've been working on. I don't think you've tried it yet, Con.
I have not.
It is so good. It's called a Kringle. It is really, really good. You're brushing your teeth at the kitchen table.
Like Hershey is like Dad, where he just eats everything in 1 second, and Harley's like Mom, where it takes him like an hour. It's like
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, that's a good analogy.
Yeah. Kayla, let's do air hockey.
Okay, hang on, I'm brushing my teeth.
Oh, that's right, the game room. I forgot all about that. And I got a speaker. We could play music.
Yeah,
We could rock out.
I think this sink is broken, look.
Oh! Yeah. We pulled out this huge, actually Sean did it. It was this great big thing of hair. It was probably at least a foot long. And
It was so gross, he showed me the picture.
It was so gross and it smelled so bad. So our shower was clogged and he fixed it for us, which was really nice. So
Most of the showers are cold too, because it just finished snowing. But I found one warm shower, so I'm using that one.
you know what she calls? When we're out at the grocery store, we're trapped in a grocery store line, and Kayla's calling. She's like, "What do I do? Help me! I can't find hot water. Like, just turn on every shower in the house until one is hot." Which one was it?
It was,
This one?
no, that one? No, maybe it was. Actually, it was this one. It
Okay,
was.
so that's the hot shower. It's in the game room, and I feel heat down here.
I literally scored on myself.
Oh! And we have this nifty pool table and all these bunk beds. I think we showed you that earlier, so I'm kind of excited about that. And we get to watch the snow fall. I think there's got to be a light out here. Oh! It's cold. Really cold. This is going to be so much fun! Woo! good night to you guys.
Good night.
It hasn't ended up snowing. It was supposed to snow, and now they're saying it's not gonna be till tomorrow morning. So maybe when we wake up, we'll see snow.
Yay!
Will it be a white Christmas in February?
Yeah.
It's
just not
It's a little
snowing.
melted.
You can see it. It's right there.
Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow we'll see more
Yeah.
because we really don't want to eat dirty snow. and
Oh, I know what's gonna happen.
yeah, I got some treats in the future.
So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, comment down below. What is your favorite game, like card game or board game?
Not video game. It has to
Not
be
a video game. It has to be a physical, like
It could be playing pool. It could be air
Baccarat.
air hockey,
It could be
foosball.
pinball.
Yeah, pinball, like
Card
any
game.
games like that. Board games.
I love
What
pinball.
is your favorite game? We'll say when the power goes out. If the power goes out, your phone is dead, what game do you play? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and our other family channels. And until next time, bye!